I have a question for you. How can we scale wisdom? How can we move from ego to eco-driven innovations and unite in a common purpose to make this world a beautiful place for all of us? Us, the birds, the bees, the plants, and the oceans. We are one integrated system. Without each other, we're nothing. As Spinoza, our Amsterdam-born brother, so famously said, Deus sive natura. God is nature. We are nature. It's up to us to create a system that works. It's up to us to keep on evolving, innovating, but from a more harmonious space, a place of wisdom. Today, businesses have immense power to influence how and what we consume, both physical and digital. With that power also comes responsibility. At the end of the day, we all want to be part of the solution, not the problem. Meaning gives energy. It makes people wake up. The question then becomes, how can you scale wisdom?